You gotta cut this.
Oh, she did it.
You did it.
Say yay.
You did it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Let's see if she do it again. Kennedy, you gonna get up? Kennedy, you gonna get up? Let's see you get up.
She said sure.
Get on up.
Come on, Kennedy.
Yay.
Yay.
Now see if you can get up, Kennedy. Yay. Get on up.
Look, we done clapping for you. You gotta stand up.
Gotta get your breath up. Okay. Here we go.
She got one hand. There go the other one.
Kennedy, get up. Get off the floor. Stand up.
She said forget that couch.
Stand up and shout it if you love my Jesus. Stand up and shout it if you love my Lord. I want to know, oh, I want to know if you love my Lord.
Kennedy.
She gotta stand up in the middle of the floor.
Kennedy. Come here. Kennedy. Come here. You want me to clap for you? Come here. Take off these shoes.
Get up, Miss Kennedy. Miss Kennedy, get up. You can do it. That's a girl. We fall down, but we get up. We fall down, but we get up. Go on, girl. We fall down, but we get up. Get on up, girl.
Come on, step a little closer to the couch.
I'm missing her head. And there you go, legs. Now move forward.
She look at her like her goes mine.
Y'all better cooperate with me. There they go. Laying on top of each other. Nothing wrong with you. Don't be wobbling and stuff. Stand still. Legs, get it together, legs. That's my girl. That's Duchess girl. Yeah.
Yay!
Very good. Duchess girl did it.
Now walk this way.
And now walk.
She looked at us like, are y'all serious? I just got the standing thing up.
Can you walk?
Kennedy, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why she look at you? Come on, Kennedy.
With the cell phone.
Here.
Now the way women like to, yep, she going for that.
Go get the cell phone.
Oh yeah, I'm going for that.
Come get it. Come get it.
That's something definitely I would like to do. I'm just going to stand here for a minute and think about all this. Have to soak it in and stuff. You know, y'all want me to do some extra, but just got to think. And then I got to probably do this real slow. Just, let me clap again. Yay, for my effort up. I got my effort up. Now, wait. Oh, wait. I think I can walk.